Okay, class, today we're going to be doing some math. But before we do that, is there anyone absent in here? Anyone at all? Yes, there's someone absent. Who? Talking Tom? Okay. Blue Toad, what is 9 plus 9?
9 plus 9 equals 18.
Good job, Blue Toad. Now we have Toad. What is 9 times 9?
9 times 9 equals 81.
Good job, Toad. Teacher Cat Luigi? Yes, Mickey Mouse. Can I go to the bathroom for 5 minutes? Yes. Thank you. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Okay, now can anyone tell me what is 9 divided by... Oh, looks like there's a fire drill. Come on, we gotta go outside. Oh no, a fire drill. Oh no, there's a fire drill. I was just in the bathroom. What happened? Well, like Cat Luigi said, we gotta go outside. Why does the fire alarm look like it's been pulled? I don't know, maybe someone pulled it or something? We probably pulled it for the drill, but let's just get outside right now. Okay, come on, we're almost at the door. Okay, we have to wait outside of Sparkling Waters High School. Elementary school. Let's see if everyone is here. Toad, here. Blue Toad, here. Boo, here. Mickey, here. All right, we're all here. Attention, Sparkling Waters Elementary. This was just a joke. Someone pulled the fire alarm in Cat Luigi's class. It goes by the name Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, when you get inside, report to my office right now. Wait, somebody pulled the fire alarm as a prank. You know what, let's just get inside. Yep. I do not get why the alarm's still pulled. Maybe because the principal forgot to reset it. He couldn't find the hex key anywhere. Let's just get back inside. Thank goodness that's over. Beep. Attention, Mickey. Report to my office. Yes, Principal? Mickey, how dare you pull the fire alarm today? That's it. You're suspended for a week. Go home now. When Mickey got home, Mickey, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school today? You know you can't prank people by pulling the fire alarm. That's it. You are grounded for a week. Go to your room now. Now remember, kids, do not pull the fire alarm as a prank. You're going to get in big trouble for that, like what Mickey had to go through. Only pull the fire alarm if there's actually a fire.